Hey Mabel, my name is Leo from Rona Marketing. We spoke earlier about getting a video sent over, showing some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your Google business profile and your website. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video. I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. Now, as you can see, I got your website pulled up here, and it's not too bad of a website, but there's just not a lot going on here. I like how you got your call number up here at the top, but that needs to be a click to call button. That way, when most people searching on a cell phone, they can just come right onto your website page, click your call button, and then get right through to you. One of my biggest suggestions would be to add some more content because Google loves content. They want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you're located, what services you offer. Another good thing to do is save photos and videos as keywords because those are considered content as well. So all these photos need to be saved as something like plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky, hot water heater replacement, Lexington, Kentucky, HVAC replacement, Lexington, Kentucky. Something that is saying the service that you do and the city and state that you do that service in. I do recommend having more ways to convert up here at the top. You know, some people are a little shy or timid. They don't want to call. So having an email feature, a text feature, or a chat feature would really help drive more traffic and give more calls to you. Now, what I've done is I put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So this is your UR and your DR. This means that your trust and your strength and your trust that your website has with Google. Now, these numbers are out of 100, so you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. Now, you have 247 backlinks with 35 referring domains. So implementing some of these tips and tricks will help you boost these numbers as well. Now, a backlink is a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. And not all backlinks are created equal. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to the industry and that's local to you. As of right now, you're only being indexed for one organic keyword, and that's bringing 4 people to your website each month. So that's more like your website's more like a digital business card. Your website should be an asset. It should be a lead generating tool that will give you a higher ROI. You're being found for Disponette Service Lexington, Kentucky, which if someone's already searching that word right there, that phrase, they're already looking for your services anyway. So definitely need to add a lot more content on that homepage and beef up those keywords. Now, right here is a buyer intent keyword. It's plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky. So it's telling the niche or the job, and it's telling the city and the state that it's in. That way, it pinpoints the services and the services needed. Now up here at the top is where you normally find your Google ads, and that's a great way to get business quickly, but once you stop paying for those ads, they are gone off of that first page. Now down here is your Google Map Pack. This is where a lot of people come in and click as soon as they search plumbers Lexington, Kentucky. So you're not in this top 3 right now, and that's okay because there's several ways to get there. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. You definitely do not want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. You want to fill that out, and don't forget to add keywords in there as well. Now, by posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly, it really helps you rank organically, and adding citations. And a citation is simply your business name, your business address, and your business phone number. You can add those in directories like Yellow Pages and Yelp because Google's like a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many directories as possible, it will start to make Google trust you more and boost your business, not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. Being in the top 3 of the Google Map Pack is going to generate about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website and gives you a call from there. Now, next down here is the organics. Your top competitor is H2O Maestro. And if we click on their website right here, you can see that they don't have a lot of content either. So by implementing having more content on your site than theirs, you can start to outrank these guys while adding backlinks and such too. Now, I've looked up keywords for your area. Plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky is a 4 KD. That's keyword difficulty. This is out of 100. So the lower this number is, the easier it is to rank the keyword. There's 1,200 people in Lexington searching plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky each month. So if you get in that top 3 spot, you're going to start generating a lot more traffic. You're going to start having a lot more calls. You're going to stay a lot more busier. And then you can generate a higher revenue, increasing your ROI. Now, there's a couple of different ones here. So you can see there's decent volume here. Just with this number is 1,200. Plumbing Lexington is another 300. Plumbing Companies Lexington, that's another 50. Lexington, Kentucky Plumbing, that's 40. So that's over 1,500 searches that could be coming to your page each month. You get a proportion of those. So there's a decent amount of volume here. Once you start ranking, like I said, a percentage of that volume is going to come to your website. Percentage of that people is going to give you a call. And then depending on your close rate, you're going to turn those into customers. Mabel, I definitely hope that this video was helpful. And would appreciate to hear some feedback and thoughts about it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out. You can text or call or email back. I can be that resource for you if needed. Mabel, I hope you have a blessed and great day. Thank you.